Welcome to Learning Traveling Tips. Here to start. Number 5. Start by planning your trip well in advance. This will give you enough time to research your destination, book flights and accommodations, and make any necessary arrangements. Subscribe for our support. Number 4. Make a packing list and stick to it. Only bring what you need, as overpacking can make your trip more difficult and burdensome. Number 3. Consider purchasing travel insurance. This can provide peace of mind and financial protection in case of unexpected events, such as trip cancellations, medical emergencies, or lost luggage. Number 2. Research the local customs and laws of your destination. Familiarizing yourself with local norms and expectations can help you avoid misunderstandings and potential legal issues. Number 1. Stay flexible and open-minded. No matter how well you plan, unexpected things can happen while you're traveling. Be willing to go with the flow and make the most of any situation.